hello and welcome. I'm, as you can see, I'm Ranger Rob. I'm the chief ranger here in this countryside estate of Arden.
With your actions, you can help the creatures that are endangered.
And by helping them, you can earn your
Nature Recovery Badges.
What if we plant the right trees in the right places?
Yes, I think I begin to see your point.
Well,
Yes,
two habitats, both alike in dignity.
Will you help me restore these beautiful plants to create a lovely nursery for me to raise my young? Wow, you guys have been brilliant with helping me restore my habitat. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hi, could you be of assistance?
Our hedgerow corridor forms that hungry bird.
Now come along, Great Crested Newt.
I was chased here by that big old bully signal crayfish. If she hates noise, then we can drive her out. Yes! Oh!
Once more unto the breach, dear friends. When